Dean Hansford, Head of Logistics, staying out of the office. CDE, held fast, makers of the units. We placed the order about 6 months ago.
I'm Stuart Garrett. I am the Divisional Manager for the wet wells and treatment contracts on Lanes Group. And right now, with Adrian, we're having a tour of the new unit.
Bloody massive. Seeing what the guys are showing us today, it very much puts it into perspective with relation to some of the other screener manufacturers that we've seen and the final product as well.
What you hear all the time is, our screen is exactly the same as CDEs, and we put as much effort in, but when you come to somewhere like this and you appreciate, you can see where your money's going, you can see the value and the quality that's going into your work. Without a doubt, it's steps above everybody else.
We visited a few in our decision-making process to go with CDE and the DMAX in particular, and right now I'm feeling that our decision-making process has very much been validated. It would be great to come back and see this in a year when it's all up and running. Really nice to see it now, really nice to see the levels of investment that CDE have gone to, and to know that our future plans are in good hands. So tell me, so far Stuart, what do you think?
It's been fantastic. And the best bit is yet to come.
What, lunch?
Something to eat?
Yeah. And a Guinness.
How are you doing?
But
Right.
here we go.
Let's do this.
There it is. The beast we've been waiting for. Happy, happy, happy. So what do you think, Michael?
Yeah.
I think it is very, very impressive. I'm looking forward to getting it on site now.